Hi everyone, my name is Keisha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's try to get to 500 subscribers or 1k if we could push. I'm new to YouTube. I'm a new YouTuber. I'll be showing you guys today. Come with me to Jamaica. Stay tuned. These are my shoes I'll be wearing today to Jamaica. Some Yeezys, foam runners. My outfits here. My t-shirts here. And I won't be showing you guys the rest. Stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm literally vlogging. I'm in Heathrow Airport, the Virgin Atlantic Terminal. I've been here since 4:15. I had the hassle trying to struggle checking in. Like, they almost didn't want to make me go on my flight because they was trying to say I didn't use the right card, which I find that strange, guys, but you know, God is good. It was raining while I was coming to Jamaica, and that means there's something blessed. I've checked in, and the only thing I have to do is go to the immigration. And yeah, guys, see you guys on the upper end. Hope I have a safe flight. Like I said, I'm new to YouTube. Everyone subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. I don't know if you guys can hear me because of the noise, it's just so loud. But yeah, peace.
Over in the ocean level. I night was over there. We are talking at the ocean level. I may see on somebody walk coming. I may say, oh, that like tea and somebody walks up. Come here, keep quiet and us watch you flex. As soon as you sit down now, I say, you know, some videos take a tea and in some wood for.
Can you hear the man in the bar talking about giving some women some wood? Can you guys hear that man brawling talking about giving some women some wood?
That tough as fuck.
Look at the dog. I've gone so dark and I haven't even been in Jamaica for 1 week yet, guys. We are now on the main roads. Guys, look what I've seen for the first time. Jamaica's got a pedestrian crossing. Jamaica's got a pedestrian crossing. This is the first I've ever come to Jamaica, walk across a pedestrian crossing. Pedestrian crossing? Like, seriously? peeking.
Auntie.
Try Saturday. In the store. We're just paying for something.
Yeah, that's what we're going out for. Sorry. Ready? That's it. 6:15. You know what? Oh, yeah, sugar. Yeah, it's somewhere there. Let's do that. Same thing. Right.